Hi musical explorers, welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to continue to do our level 1 theory book, and I can't wait for today's lesson. Let's hop straight into it. Alright, we have a lot of things to get done today. We have a review as well as our lesson 9 triads of the scale. So let's hop straight into it. Okay, so let's do some review first. We're going to review our major and minor 5-finger patterns and triads. So first we have triads in the back and 5-finger patterns in the front. Okay, let's hop straight into it. So let's draw 5 notes starting from D, our given note. So we're going to draw D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be our 5 notes. Now, what is in the key signature of D major? In D major, we have F and C. So let's sharp F and C that we see. Well, there's no C in here, so that's okay. Well, we see an F, so we're going to sharp the F like that. So that's just going to be it for our D major 5-finger pattern. Next, we have F minor. So let's start drawing 5 notes from F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what is in the key signature of F major? Let's do F major first. So in F major, we have B flat, right? So it's going to be like that. That's our F major. But in order to make it F minor, remember we have to lower our 3rd note by a half step. So instead of an A, we're going to have an A flat. Just like that. Moving on, let's start drawing 5 notes from G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what is in the key signature of G major? Let's do G major first. So in G major, we have F sharp. All right. Yes, we have F sharp. So, do we see any F notes here? Well, no, we don't. But it is a G minor, right? Well, in G minors, we have to lower our 3rd note, right? So instead of a B, we lower it by a half step into a B flat. Correct? Awesome. Okay. Next, E major. Now let's start from E and draw 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that note kind of looks like an A again. Oops. So let's draw that clear. That's a B. Okay, now what's in the key signature of E major? In E major, we have F, C, G, D. So let's sharp all of those notes. F, C, G, D. Got it. So that's going to be it. Okay, C minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is in the key signature of C major? Well, we don't have anything in C major, right? Yes. Now, how do we find the minor? Well, we lower the 3rd by a half a step, right? So we're just going to turn that E into an E flat. Awesome. B flat major now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, since it says B flat major, the first note's going to be a B flat, not just a B. Okay. Now, what's in the key signature of B flat major? In B flat major, we have B flat and E flat, right? So we're going to do B flat. We already have B flat, right? And then E flat. We're here. Awesome. Next, let's do E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is in the key signature of E major? We have F, C, G, D. Now let's sharp all of that. So we have F and G. All right. Now, since it is a minor, we have to lower our third note. So instead of it being a sharp, it's going to be a natural because we lowered it by half a step. So we're going to just cancel that sharp, and it's just going to become a natural. Awesome. Let's do A major now. So let's draw 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A major. What is in the key signature of A major? We have F, C, G. So let's sharp all of that. F, C, G. Yeah, that's it. That's just going to be our A major. All right, now let's do G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is in the key signature of G major? We have just F. Do we see any Fs here? Nope, so that's just going to be it. Great. What about B flat minor? So let's start from B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since it's a B flat, I'm just going to draw a B flat there. Now, what's in the key signature of B flat major? Well, in B flat major, we have B flat, A, and E flat. B flat, E flat. So let's flat those. B flat and E flat. Now, in order to make that a minor right now, we lower the third note by half a step. So instead of F, we have F flat. All right, F major now. Okay, let's draw 5 notes. Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is in the key signature of F major? In F major, we only have a B flat. So there we go. Lastly, D minor. Let's draw 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is in the key signature of D major? We have F, C. So we're just going to sharp that. Now for it to be a minor, we have to lower our third note by a half step. So instead of a sharp, we have just a natural. So it's just going to be a natural like that. Oh, okay. Whoa, the camera just almost tilted over. Okay. But yeah, that's going to be it for this page. We did a lot of we did a quick review on a lot of what we learned previously. So yeah, amazing job. Let's move on to our next page on reviews of triads, I believe. All right. So here, let's see. Name these triads with their letter names, roots, and qualities, such as G major. The first one is given. All right, so we're gonna now name these triads. So, what is our first note? What is our root note? It is a D. Okay, so let's write that down first. D. Now, what is in the key signature of D major? In D major, we have F sharp and C sharp, right? Does that have F sharp and C sharp? Well, yeah, we don't have a C note, so that's okay. So we're just gonna ignore that. We have an F sharp, so that's good. So that means this is a D major. What about this one? This one's an F. So we know that this is going to be an F. Let's just write that down. And then what's in the key signature of F major? We have B flat. Now, we don't have a B flat, but that's okay. Are the rest correct? Well, yeah, they are. So that is an F major. What about this one? Well, this one is a C. But what is in the key signature of C major? There's nothing, right? But there's a E flat there. That means our third got lowered. So this is a minor. What about this one? This is an A. So we're going to draw that down. Okay, what's in the key signature of A major? We have F, C, G. Do we have all the sharps? Yes, we do. So that is a major as well. How about this one? This is an E. What is in the key signature of E major? We have F, C, G, D, right? F, C, G, D sharps, right? Now, do they have the G sharp? No, it got lowered, right? So it's a minor. Okay, how about this one? B flat. So, let's write that down since we know there's B. Oh, B flat, right? B flat. Now, is it a major or a minor? Well, what is in the key of B flat major? In B flat major, we have B, E, B flat, E flat. So, do we see B flat? Yes. Is there an E flat? No, it's okay because it's not in our triad. So, yeah, that still makes it a major triad. Awesome. Now, let's draw these triads. Okay, so D minor. Let's build a snowman. 2, 3. Oh, sorry, that looks like a B, but that is actually an A. So, let me draw it better. Like that. Okay. So in D minor, okay, let's draw a D major triad first. What is in D major triad? F sharp, C sharp. So supposedly there's an F sharp on the G, right? Like that. But it is a minor, so we lower it, right? We lower it. So just gonna erase that. So it's just gonna be like, let me fix that. So it's just gonna be that because it got lowered. C major, this one's easy. So let's build a C major. Let's build a snowman on C. What is in the key signature of C major? Nothing, right? So that is already correct. G major now. G major. Okay. What is in the key signature of G major? We have just F. Was there an F note here? No. So that's okay. That's still a major, right? So yeah, that's correct. F minor. Let's draw a snowman. F minor. What is in the key signature of F major? There's a B flat, right? All right, but since we don't have a B flat, that's okay. Now, this is our already major form, right? Our major triad. In order to make it a minor, we have to lower the third. So there's just going to be an A flat, right? Correct. Next, B flat major. Let's draw a snowman, B flat. Now what's in the key signature of B flat major? There's B flat, E flat. Do we already have that? Yeah. So that's good. Moving on. Let's do A minor. A minor. What is in the key signature of A major first? There's F and G, right? Do we have F and G? Hold on. Yes. Oh no, it's F, C, G. Sorry, I missed it. F, C, G sharp. Do we have C sharp? Well, no, we don't. But in the major, we have the C sharp, right? But since it's a minor, we lowered it. So that's good. E major. 1, 2, 3. What is in the key signature of E major? We have F sharp and F sharp, C sharp, F, C, G, D, basically. Instead of saying the sharps, I'm just going to read out the notes instead. Okay, so yeah, it's just going to be F, C, G, D. So, do we have G? We need G sharp, right? G, D. Yeah, that's it. So that is just going to be our E major triad. Now, let's name the 5-finger pattern used in the treble clef for the right hand, right? our right hand for each of these examples. All right, so let's check this out. Okay, so what is our key signature? Hold on. Yes, let's look at the key signature because key signature is very important here. So what is in our key signature? Let me draw this. So in our key signature, oh, sorry, I highlighted that note, but ignore that. I'm just highlighting the middle part here. That's where the key signature is. Is there anything in our key signature? Well, no, we don't. We don't have anything. Well, what else has nothing in its key signature? Yep, it's C major. Well, you know what also doesn't have anything in its key signature? A minor. Well, how do we know it's a C major instead of a C minor? Well, we can see that our 5-finger pattern starts on a C. It has lots of C. Do you see any A's? No, we don't see any A's. So this is a C major. This is a C major. Just like that. How about the next one? Let's highlight our keys, or our key signature. Like that. Now, what key signature? Oh, hold on. Okay, what major has F sharp in it? Well, we know G major has F sharp in it, right? Well, how do we know if it's G major if it's E minor? Well, we know it's G major because, you know, it starts on a G, right? So that's a pretty nice clue already. Now, what else is a clue? Let's see. Well, we don't have any E's in this piece, right? No, we don't. That means it is a G major. It is a G major key. It is a G major pattern, right? Oh, well, okay, yeah, G major. Awesome. Let's move on to our lesson. Okay, we're trying to move fast in our review part because we already learned it and we should be able to master that part. Okay, lesson 9, triads of the scale. A triad can be built on each note of the scale. When we are building triads on a scale tone, all of the sharps or flats that are in the scale are added to the chords that have those notes. Example, D major scale have F sharp and C sharp. When drawing the triads of D major, every time an F or C appears in the chord, we add sharps to it. Oh, a sharp is added to it, sorry. Okay. Number 1, draw sharps or flats before the correct notes to complete the triads of these scales. The first one is given. Use the sharps or flats from the key signature. Draw the accidentals before the note in every chord that has these notes. Watch the clef signs. See? All right. So let's do exactly that. Basically, it's actually pretty easy. We're just marking our accidentals before all of these notes. Okay. So, it's given to us that it is a G major. What is in the key signature of G major? There's just F sharp, right? Let me just draw right there that we have F sharp as a reminder. Now what do? Basically, in this whole blob of triads, we sharp all of the Fs we see. All right, so let's start from our lower F. Do we have anything here? No, okay. Let's start from this F. There's the F there. So we're just gonna mark sharp there. There's another F here. Mark sharp there. There's another F here. So let's mark a sharp there. See, that was really easy. Just mark all of the F's you see, no matter where it is on this line. So yeah, that's it. Let's do C major. This one's even easier. Well, what is in the key signature of C major? Nothing. So that is already done for us. We don't have to mark anything. Awesome. What's in F major? In F major, there's B flat. B flat. Now, just mark all of the B flats you see. Okay, let's start from here. Here's a B flat. Flat it. Here's a B flat. Flat. And let's move up. Here is a B flat. We got it. Awesome. Let's move on to our second exercise. But this time, instead of just marking the accidentals, we are going to be also drawing our notes. So let's do exactly that. So let's draw these triads. So it looks like it's the same thing, but we have it in different clefs. And we're going to draw our notes out by ourselves now. Okay, so let's draw our C major triads. So when you're drawing triads, it's actually really, really easy. We see that, okay, so let's draw a C major triad first. As our first note, just build a snowman on C. Easy, right? Now what's even easier is you just keep building triads as you go up. You keep building snowmans as you go up. So, and each time you just move the note up once. Up one line, up one space. Got it? All right, so we're just gonna draw one. Now we're gonna go on D. Okay, so how I like to do it, I don't draw them individually. I just draw, okay, let's see. I'm gonna draw it like this actually. So instead of that, we're gonna do, let's draw a C first. Let's draw a C. Here's the C. Now we're just gonna write out the whole entire C major scale. So we're just gonna draw 8 notes from C to C, okay? So let's draw that out. C, D, E, F, okay, G, A, B, C. Whoa, that's going pretty high. Okay, just like that, right? What do you do next? You just build snowmans. You just add 2 notes on top of these notes that are already written out. How easy, right? So we're just going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. These notes are going really high. 1, 2, just like that. See how easy that was? Now, usually at this time, we just add in the key signature, but we're working with C major, and there's nothing in C major, so we're already good. Let's move on to our next one. Now we're doing it in G major. Just draw all the way from G to G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, just draw 2 notes on top of it, like make triads, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Just like that. Now we have to work with key signature. What is in the key signature of G major? We have F sharp. So let's sharp all of the Fs we see. So we have an F sharp here. We have an F sharp here, yes. We have an F sharp here. And that's it. That's it. That's how easy it is. All right, now let's do F major. We're almost done. Let's push through. So let's draw from F to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, I'm running out of space. Okay, it's okay. Let's make triads now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, just like that. Now, what is in the key signature of F major? We have B flat, right? So we're just going to do B flat. We're going to flat all of the B's that we see. And here, right? And yeah, that's it. That's it. We finished it. Oh my gosh, yay. Okay, so as we can see, it's actually pretty easy. It wasn't as hard as we expected, so that's great. So that's a pretty easy way of learning how to do these, like, what do we call these again? Let's see. We call them triads of the scale. So, see how it wasn't that bad? Yeah. So I think that's going to be it for today's lesson. Alright, musical explorers, that is going to be it for today's lesson. We did some good work on our triads of the scale, as well as some good work on our review. So we had another very productive lesson today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Bye!